Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is an excellent day because today we actually get to do some proper races. Cue the intro. Okay, so it's about 8:30 in the morning. We've had a little bit of breakfast, but we're at the Malle Mile and we're about to go do our first ever proper race. But we need to go down for a briefing where a posh guy tells us a couple of things about racing, and then we get to go in it. So we're going to jump on the bikes, we're going to shoot down, check out that, and then we're going to do the sprint. That's basically like, I think it's like half a mile or something daft like that, and we're just going to race down it as quickly as we possibly can. And it's like a knockout round, so whoever you're with, if they beat you, you get knocked out. If you beat them, you go through, and you keep going round and round until there's one winner. So I've got my famous race top on, obviously number 69. It's not my bike because they're idiots, they didn't give me number 69, but my favourite number, 69. Let's check out the Sidekick and Mr. Daz and see if they're ready to race. You ready to race?
Yep, I've been up this morning doing my warm-up, star jumps, you know, a bit of running. Went for a quick run round the campsite this morning, had my breakfast, 2 cups of tea, banana. I'm race ready.
I'll just get out of bed, mate, and get changed. Mr. Daz, are you ready? Did you run around the car park doing star
jumps? Yeah, I've done my
jumps?
exercises to freshen up. I've had coffee and vape juice. Bananas are peeled and ready, and we're all set to go.
It's going to be good, isn't it?
Just do me fly up as I'm on camera.
Should we go down then, big boy?
Yep, let's wheelie.
Let's go check out the briefing. Are we ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I was born ready, mate. I got out of bed ready for this.
Let's race.
But this is where the fun really begins. It's going to be loud, fast and dirty, and if anyone ever asks you that, just say yes immediately.
Well, after that briefing and 5 minutes of sleep, we've now got to wait about half an hour, and then we're going to be able to race for the first time. We're having like that calm before the storm kind of thing.
Yeah, got a bit of butterflies, a bit of pre-race nerves. I'm excited, looking forward to it.
Just looking forward to winning. It's going to be good. Well, we're going to make our way down now so we can get into the queue for the sprint. Now, I got it wrong earlier. I said half a mile. It's an 1/8 of a mile. Just for any of the people that are going to jump on the comments. But there we go. We are off. I'm excited. I'm looking badass. Race top on, 69 on the back. Lucky as. The Sidekick, how are you feeling? A bit of nerves?
Yeah, got the nerves going on. But yeah, this is what we've been waiting for, isn't it, all weekend so far. So let's get down, get in the queue and start doing some racing.
I reckon, dude, me and you working together, me first, you second. It's going to be good.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see how we get on.
Well, let's get the boring bit done. Let's queue. Let's see where we're going to end up. Well, here we are, going in the novice class. Queuing up, people, we're queuing up. This is going to be good. I'm super excited, like a little kid already. We're going to be here now for about an hour. You watch, sweating our bums off, but it'll be good.
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you're bleeding down. Don't try to fix my head.
Okay, so this is the practice lap, and me and Darren just got picked to race against each other. We actually are trying not to, but this is just the practice lap. So we'll see how well this goes. Come on, Monkey. He's done a lot of race mods to that bike. This should be good. We're up next. Oh man, he's got the right hand. Because The psychic hasn't got a clutch and you have to put your clutch hand on your head. He doesn't have to put it into first gear, does he? He just goes. The cheeky little bugger. He might actually play somewhere on this doing that. On that little bit quicker, but not enough. So he just gets that edge every time. Well, let's go queue back up. I think the next is the proper race.
Oh! Just died! Oh no! Don't tell me after all that waiting. At least I beat him in that first run. Let's get it down there and see what's happened. Didn't seem quite right off the mark. Right, let's turn the camera off, see what's going on.
So we're queuing up to race, and I'm going to race against the, what is that, CRF. And the psychic's coil on his bike's melted basically, and he might be out. He's trying to find Mr. Dazza. We're all against the clock. We don't know if it's going to happen. So it's fingers crossed. Yeah. It should be interesting between these. Should be interesting between these. Yeah. So a CRF 125F against a Honda Monkey 125Z. This should be interesting. That should, motocrossy, have a little bit more than this. We'll find out. Poor psychic, he's back there crying. I can't even man hug him. Oh God, am I nervous. Not bad. A monkey against an actual little motocross bike. That's not bad. Well done, man. Well done. They did quite well. They were like going and yours just had that little bit more.
You got a bit start, mate. I've got a bit too much wheel spin.
Oh, did you? I'm a bit more fatter. I've got some wheel on the back.
It's getting really loose now.
Yeah, definitely. I think still proud of my little monkey. My little monkey did well.
Right folks, just this quick update. So the bike broke down at the top on the first run there. The coil lead had snapped. What I've had to do is find Mr. Dazza, run to his bike, and I've actually nicked the coil off of his monkey to put on my bike.
Alan abandoned you.
Alan left me, said sod off because I beat him, and Joe's been helping me fortunately. So we've got the new coils plugged in. We think it does work. You're gonna have to look after that for me, Joe. And we're back in the race. Yes! 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 I thought we were out of the game then, but we're back in. Top man, cheers Joe, legend. Oh, what a relief, guys. Thought after all that I was out, but we're still in. I think these guys have been racing. I don't know how many runs I've missed. I just had a breakdown. Huh?
Did we get to have another go?
I think so. I broke down on the first run up.
So this is my last chance now to stay in this, and I'm going to race against a mutt. So let's see if the mutt can beat my little monkey. It'll be interesting because they're similar in power. Oh, come on, monkey. This is it. Come on, monkey. Come on, monkey. Ugh. Come on, here we go. So close, so close, and I popped a little bit of a wheelie off the line, so close. That was good, man. You did it. That was so close, I was going to go and then you just had it.
I thought you were going to give me a
That was good. Whew. Well, there you go. Lost two, just lost two. So close every time. Gutted. But what a rush. I had fun. That's all that matters. But I am literally under this helmet. I am just grinning ear to ear. What a blast. Sat in that queue for a few hours just to do that. Oh, that was good. Right, well now back in Tolden area for the hill climb. And then we get to go and do that. Whew, that was emotion.